All right. Hello, hello. All right. Price just tapped into this OB, into this 15-minute bearish OB. And this is what I'm looking for here during this Asian analysis. I'm looking for price to go back to this point of interest that I've marked on the 15-minute chart, right? So I need price to come to this area. This is my point of interest area. And from here, if I see price retest this area, create 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character with the body candle close. It has to be with the body candle close. Retest that change of character, we can look for some sells. However, if price wants to continue upside, I need to see a body candle close above this level, above the 2681.33 level. Sorry, let's put some music in here. All right. Okay. That's better. We need to stay high. All right. Let me go through this again, guys. Price just tapped into my point of interest. The bearish OB, the 15-minute bearish OB that hasn't been tested until just now. So, if price gives me 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character with a body candle close, I'll be looking for a retest for that. As soon as I get retest, I'll be looking for some sells. However, if price decides to go above this level right here, the key area at 2681.33, if price decides to break above this level with the body candle close, then I'll be looking for a retest, create 5 or 15-minute bullish engulfing candle to look for some buys. This is exactly what I'm looking for gold here. GBPJPY, same thing. This is my point of interest, guy. Plus, I have a fair value gap right here that was created on the 1 hour time frame. Right here. Between this candle and this candle. This is a fair value gap that was created right below this 15-minute bullish OB, bearish OB. And it's also a 1 hour bearish OB. So I have 1 hour bearish OB plus fair value gap bearish OB. What I need to see is price retest this area right here, create 5 or 15-minute bearish change of character with the body candle close. It has to be with the body candle close. Body candle close indicates the volume in the market. If I get body candle close, I need a retest to continue going lower. However, if price wants to continue higher, I need to see a body candle close above this level right here, above the bearish 1 hour OB. Right? Body candle close, retest, create 5 or 15-minute bearish engulfing candle to look for some buys. This is the two scenarios I'm looking for: GBPJPY, also gold. So let's see how price action gonna do. Price already tapped my alarm, so while I'm waiting for price action, I'm going to go ahead and grab the analysis and send it to the Telegram channel. Give me a couple seconds. Alright, so here's the GBPJPY analysis and the gold analysis for the Asian session sent to the Telegram channel right here.
Motherfucker, you know that brothers I respect don't what? You know that brothers I respect don't what? You know that brothers I respect don't what? You know that. You know that brothers I respect don't what? You know that brothers I respect don't what?
This is highly confidential. Highly confidential.
Alright, so here's the GBPJPY analysis and the gold analysis for the Asian session sent to the Telegram channel right here. Woohoo! Gold is pumping. Gold is pumping. Let's see. Since we tapped into this OB, I need to see a change of character to the bearish change of character to take some sells. So we are at an OB right now. Bearish OB. If I see a 5 or 15 minute bearish change of character, retest of that change of character, I'm looking for some sells. So right now let's shift the change of so the change of character is gonna shift to this low right here. This is gonna be my change of character. If price decides to come back and break with the body candle close, retest. I'm looking for some sells. That's what I was talking about here. Retest, change of character, retest a change of character. So let's see. DJ still ranging. Now this is swing high. This is swing high, this is swing low. Swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low. Ranging in this area. Swing high, swing low. Break out of that range. I need to see if price come outside of that ranging area to the fair value gap and OB. Here is a bearish OB and bearish fair value gap. Price retest. Give me change of character. Retest of that change of character to look for some sells towards this low right here. However, if price wanna continue up, I need to see price at least break above this high, right, on this level right here at 194.753. Break above with a body candle close, retest, create 5 or 15 minute bullish engulfing candle to look for some buys. What the hell is this? This is better. Alright, let's see. Check. 15 seconds. Let's see if we get a body candle close below this low right here, and there we go. This is exactly what I need to see. Body candle close below this level right here, creating a 15-minute change of character. We got 2 seconds to go. Alright, body candle close indicating change of character, and now we're retesting. All three criteria is met, guys.
Hey, I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed. I stayed longer than I should have. Before I knew it, there wasn't a single drop left in me that still wanted you and me. It's just that I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to fall out of love with you. Because I truly did love you. I still do.
Alright, so for gold, all three criteria is met for sell. Criteria 1, criteria 2, criteria 3.
I just
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me hear that track again. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me hear that track again.
Not yet. So close though. Looking at gold here, looking very bullish. We got a body candle close above this OB. So all we need right now is a retest. Nah, man, no chance. I see gold going up. It's gonna do a retrace though. My retrace to this OB right here. It's a 15-minute. It's a 15-minute sell to buy as well. Overlapping with this 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, it's definitely going up. Let's see.
Switching lanes like I don't care.
This is where I send the analysis. I send the Asian analysis here for gold during the Asian session. I mentioned that if price breaks above this level right where the body candle close retest, create 5 or 15-minute bullish engulfing candle, we can look for some buys. And this is what price is doing right now. We broke above this level, this point of interest here with the body candle close, making this one a breaker block. It's failed bearish OB. So right now we retest with the engulfing candle. There'll be confirmations for buys. Right here. So let's see. GJ just created bullish change of character right here. Retesting this 15-minute bullish OB. Sell to buy. let's see if we get a body candle close. If this candle close above, that's indicate it's a strong change of character. Retest will be fine to look for buys like this. You ain't gonna sign up or like you ain't gonna pay anything. All you gotta do is just join this channel that I just created. I feel it's more fun to trade with other people because trading is very lonely. So I send analysis here. You go ahead and join. Make sure you click on this link. You'll be able to see. This is the trades I made so far this week. So let's see. We got a body candle close. Let's see if we get a retest. There you go. Price just built liquidity on this area. We might see a price sweep this liquidity here before taking up. Well, let's see. We also got to take a note of there's a CPI coming in about 4 hours for GBP. It's high impact news. We might see some volume here. Let's go. I like that energy, bro. I'll only focus on A+ setups. It's all about being patient. Risk manage. Take advantage of A+ setups. Yeah. Like I mentioned, broke above with the body candle close, retest. Now it's gonna go higher. But all I'm worried about there is an OB sitting right here. Right here. Price could be retesting this OP, making a shift down, shift down. Damn, man. A lot of volume here. Price just creating fair value gaps along the way. It's exactly what I mentioned earlier too. Right here. This is what I mentioned for gold. Price break above this bearish OB here with the body candle close, retest, will continue going higher. And right now price is at this level. See if we get it. If we get a good retest to this area right here, to this bullish OB, let's make it easier here. It's too much. Right here. This is what I mentioned earlier. Price break above this OB, retest, continue going higher. Going where? Going towards the highest high. just about price about to do that, and it's like 14 pips away. Let's see if price break above this level. But honestly, a good retest from this swing low to this, if this is a swing high, if price break above, a good retest will be below this 50 level, 50% level at this discount area, at this fair value gap here. Like this. Pretty much exactly what I mentioned earlier. So see. Let's see what price action gonna do here. Honestly, man, I decided to live stream me trading live. I was like, so what? Why not everybody learn the strategy that makes money instead of just like doing it alone? This journal, bro. Yeah, I think it's gonna go back to that level right here. We're like about 40 pips. So when our price is retracing to this point of interest area, and this is looking pretty interesting to me, honestly. We're having a lot of volume. There's a lot of orders sitting behind. That's why there's fair value gaps right here. Price went up really quick. Left order behind. So now if you really want to buy, you need to be looking at this area. Here's your discount price. I'd be interested to buy here at this price. Because here where there was a lot of people interested, push the market up at this level right here. This 5-minute sell to buy. 15-minute, also 15-minute right here. Sell to buy. The sell to buy that broke above this high right here. So to make it more clear, this is what I'd be looking for. Actually, I don't need to move my line, the one I mentioned earlier, right here. If you wanna go for it, if you feel comfortable with it, to me, I wouldn't be interested buying here. You don't want to buy at the top. Price just went from here all the way till here, 100 pips. So you need to wait for a price to retrace. I think it will be risky if you buy here. GJ, what's GJ doing? Yeah, let's go. I like that beat.
We could get freaky.
Man, I'm just looking. Seriously, since I created this channel, I never had a loss. Literally never had a loss. This week, 3 decisions. All 3 win. All range, 142 pips. I do London and New York. I do both. 100 pips. I'm just now thinking, I didn't realize that. Since I created this channel, never had a loss. That was it. That was a banger right here. I take partials along the way. It's, guys, I don't know if this beat is too loud here. 1 second. I take partials along the way. As soon as price come to 20 pips, I move SL to break even. I go risk free. I take partials at 20 pips. I make sure I put money in my pocket. After 20 pips, price wants to go back and take me out, I took partials. Price want to continue going up, I take more partials. Take profit. 30 minutes candle just closed. Big rejection from the highest high. Welcome. I'm really glad, you know, to finally realize I can just share this with everybody instead of just doing it alone. Because talking about the idea after the idea works out, usually I'm happy by myself, you know what I mean? When my plan work and the direction goes my way, at the end I'm the only one getting happy. So why not get happy with some friends, you know? Not trying to be like, you know, selling courses and all that, you know, bullshit. Or like charging for signals and shit. You wanna understand why you're taking the trade. Not just like somebody sending hey, buy now, blah blah blah, and okay. Why? What's the reason? You know, what's the reason for the position? GBP. This swing high, swing low. Price didn't break this low yet. So this is retracement right now. Just like this line, brother. See this line? Price need to do this. This is a good time to enter now for buys, but I'll be a little bit riskier buys though. My plan is to keep the winning rate high. I don't want to take just like any setup I see. Because we're like 10 pips away from an OB. It's not really worth it too if I take the buys right now because we're only 15 pips away from this buy to sell that took these two highs. It's not worth it. This range, it will be nice. Not this tiny one. So how much did you risk, brother? Do you have a risk managed plan for your entry if you enter it here? Or where did you enter? At this change of character right here? Buy, sell, and then break above this high right here, creating 5-minute change of character. With the body candle close, retest, price quickly rain into this OB. This small range price playing with. It's not worth taking a decision here. Yep. There we go. This is exactly why you shouldn't take a buy. Price retesting this OB right here. Whoa, a lot of volume. This is exactly why you shouldn't take a buy here, brother. My brother. It's retracing. This is a nice retrace right here. OB overlapping with fair value gap. I mentioned earlier there's a liquidity sitting here. And this is exactly what makes me want to wait more for more retracing. Price take out this liquidity, sweep it, and then keep pushing higher. Especially there's like a high impact news coming during right before the London session. So price still can do this big move right here before continuing higher. Can't take sells right here. This is the 5 minutes swing low and swing high. If you ever thought, whoever thought about taking sells here, because this is the highest high price created, a lot of people will take sells here. But for me to see the 5 minutes going bearish, this low here needs to break to make change of character. That will be the 5 minute change of character. 5 minute go bearish, 15 minutes will also go bearish. And a 1 hour gonna be retracing towards the downside, failing to break the highest high, taking out this liquidity right here. All of that. All these are point of interest price never retraced to. This one right here and this one. Patience, guys. It's all about patience. Pretty interesting price action right here. So I'm over this for right now. interesting price action right here. Oh, yo. Chill the fuck. Damn. Okay. The 1 hour about to close in 8 minutes. on GBPJPY. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? Took a on. Now if this 5-minute candle will give us a body candle close above this high right here, that will do a 5-minute bullish change of character with a body candle close indicating is a strong bullish change of character. Retrace back to this level right here will be enough to take buys. But again, for me, I don't like to play in this range. So like 25 pips ups and down. I told you, bro. I told you you shouldn't be taking buys. Where did you enter, bro?
That's how we get down.
You gotta be patient, bro. We all were at that level. Body candle close. One 194, 193. You took a buy here. Stop loss below this low, for sure, brother. You can't take a, don't take a buy at an OB, bro. This was the buy to sell that broke below this low and this low. This is strong probability OB, or like strong probability point of interest. He taken a buy at a strong probability point of interest. This is where everybody entered here, move the market down. This is a point of interest. That's why as soon as price retested this OB, a lot of people took a short position in here, pushing the market down. Market structure breaking below this low, creating BOS. Right now price broke above this high right here, creating a bullish change of character. Fine, still retesting this OB. It's a small range price playing with. Price can retest to this OB right here, or break below. Only wait for A+ setups, bro. All this right here right now, this is a fake out. Price playing within a small range. This was the bearish change of character. This is the bullish change of character. Yeah, I won't take it. I won't be interested in a 5-minute point of interest. At least I need to see a 15-minute point of interest. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah. Gold still retracing here. Excuse me. CPI in 3 hours. USD, nothing much. Yeah, brother. Gotta stay focused in this game. Uh-huh. This is why I just don't take a buy here. Doesn't make sense. Charlie Ducky. That's why I just don't take buys here. At the small range. You hear me? You guys hear me clear? Charlie Ducky. That's why you just don't take buys here. Just want to mention. If you think your price is just gonna fly, that's a small range playing between this OB and this OB. What the hell? What the hell? Ah, I started to like it. Twice rejecting this area on GJ. Once, twice. Yeah. I mean, it's really chill. It's chilly. It's chilling with the melon. It's a lot of patience in this game. You gotta be really patient. Well, during that time, we can vibe, just like you said. Vibes. That's the whole point. That's the whole point why I created a Telegram channel right here. Decided to do my journals on Telegram instead of just using Excel and all that, you know. I was like, let's upgrade the vibe a little bit. Let's make it more fun. So right now, GJ playing in this range. Didn't retrace enough for us. Didn't even retrace in the first place. To this 15 bearish change of OB. This would have been a really nice setup if Rice did this. Retest this fair value gap and this OB. Create bullish 5 or 15 minutes change of character. Retest that change of character. That would have been a really nice range to target this high right here. $80 pips. Just like what I mentioned here, guys. If you hear me loud and clear, because we're gonna see some setups play out. I mentioned the price rate is this fair value gap and the OB. Create 5 or 15 minute bear change of character. We can look for sells. But price decided just to keep going down. No point of interest that worth it for me. Well, let's see. We might have a potential break of structure with some volume, giving us the directions. But gold looking pretty interesting right now. Pretty interesting. Price retracing again. Can we see this level break? This is what I like to see, guys. This market structure with a lot of opportunities. Even this Asian session right here. This Asian session. Good opportunities. This is looking pretty interesting. Hour, very bullish. This is the highest high. Psychological level could be price targeting these levels right here. Fibonacci tools and all that. What would you take a buy here? Oh my days. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Like, why would you buy at an OB? This is an OB here that was created. This buy to sell. And it's a high probability OB, bro. This is literally high probability OB. It's a call these two moves. Price are traced. And this is why it's a high probability OB. A lot of people got it, push price down. I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will. I like your energy. Price rejected this area twice. I wouldn't take a sell here. I know it's a high probability. The only reason why I wouldn't take a sell here is because it's a small range. It's a small range, brother. And this is what's happening. Price is ranging right now. Exactly. I like that. I like that. This is all about. It's all about that. It's a journey, bro. You trade so much, you learn so much. Your memory, your brain start replicating the good habits and staying away from the mistakes you made. You start seeing results. Man. You risk manage. You break that real quick. You get paid back real quick. Risk manage. Here's one thing that I would definitely do when I realized I was wrong and then started doing the right things. I'll open new account. I'll open new account, set a plan, and do the plan 100%. It's no emotions, patience, and all that. And you start see results. You start see win rate. You'll take a loss every year, you know. It's a part of the game, but what? Every 10 trades you win, you lose one time. I think that's a good way to start, and then you start improving. 20 trades, 30 trades in a row. Just start build good habits. That's all about. Patience is part of the game. You have to learn how to be really patient. Let the price give you the entry. Let the price do its thing. Give you an A+ entry where you can confidently enter. If it's a split risk management, split risk is, let's say you enter a sell here and the price just go a little bit high and draw down. Then you enter another sell here at this OB. The price go a little bit high. You enter a sell at this high, having all 3 positions stop loss above this liquidity. And then once the price starts to retrace to your second entry, you close it out at break even. And then it retraces to your first entry, you close it out at break even. you keep the third entry in. Best position you have. Risk free. See it run. And then of course you have to split your lot into 3 times when you do a split risk entry. You have to split it into 3 times. Like for example, if you enter with 1 lot, then you enter 35, 0.35 here, 0.35 here, 0.35 here. Split it into 3 entries. Yeah. Give the position a little bit room to breathe. Risk manage. Grow your account. You don't want to flip an account, just grow it little by little. You have a big capital, you work on this plan. It doesn't matter if you're trading on a 10,000 account or like a 100,000 account. It doesn't matter. It's the same pips we're making. It's just a different lot size based on your capital. I think I took a trade in this channel after I created this channel that with a split risk. Let me see. Here, this one. Enter the first position and then enter the second split risk entry in. I send this right after. I send a screenshot of the first entry and the second entry. So I took a sell here, and then because I was confident, the direction was to the downside, targeting this high, this low. First entry here, price took me into a down. Second entry here, price took me into a drawdown. I entered my third entry right here at this level. All 3 entries stop loss above this high. Price third split risk entry here, I notified. And then price started retracing. Close second entry at break even. Close first entry at break even. Leave third position, running in profits. Move SL to break even now. 26 pips, 35 pips, taking partials. 40 pips, taking partials. Here was my third entry, the best entry. On the way down, when price went down, I closed the second at the first entry. I break even. Let the winning decision run. Does that make sense? This is why. This is why. What's your name? Let me see. Charlie has gold retraced enough. Yeah, it has retraced enough. But it's not good to take buys here. I'm really glad you waited. Yes, so there's a liquidity sitting right here. This is liquidity. Price love to sweep liquidity. Why? Because people will wait. They'll be concerned about this liquidity. And this is not a high probability. This is not a high probability an OB. Right now, if I want to take sells, it's possible. Only we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds for this candle to close the 15-minute candle. If this close below with the body candle close, that's gonna be bearish change of character, 15-minute change of character right here. This line that I marked. When price was here, I marked this line here. If we get a body candle close in 2-minute time here, that means, what does that mean? That means it's a strong change of character to the downside. Price might quickly come to take this liquidity, retrace potentially to this OB right here, and then we can look for change of character to take sells, targeting this level right here. Or price might create change of character, retrace right after a change of character, then come back to take this liquidity. If this happens, we're gonna have a BOS, change of character plus BOS, just like this. This is the change of character, and then, oh, sorry, one second. This is change of character, and then BOS, sweeping this liquidity right here. This is gonna be a BOS. Retest that BOS. Bearish engulfing candle will be good for sells, not buys. No body candle close. Price gonna still play in this range. Honestly, if it doesn't take liquidity or retrace, it will be a good opportunity to take sells. Enter here at this OB, stop loss above this high, targeting this low, and potentially these lows right here. That will be fucking awesome. Right now we're getting volume. Body candle close. So this is strong change of character. But guys, the retracement. Listen up, Charlie. This retracement from here to here is 50 pips. Right? Fibonacci. This from here to here is 50 pips. This right here is the discount area for this market structure move. Here at this OB that I marked. Right now, this analysis is invalid. Price failed to break above this high. We can look for sells now, especially that this is a breakout block now. This is not an OB anymore. This is a breakout block. By the way, this fair value gap was invalid. invalidated because price just broke through, so it's not valid anymore. This one, price broke through, it's not valid anymore. Breaking through this OB, making it break a block. Honestly, riskier sells, I'll need to see pretest, create an engulfing bearish candle, enter 4 sells right away. Riskier. Alright, you guys, just make sure to join this channel right here. Once I see an entry, I'll be sending it here. As soon as I see the entry, I'll send it here. I'll send it to you and to me, guys. And we'll go through the trade together. After you take the trade, you have to watch still analysis and see what's going on. You can't just be like, just take the trade and that's it. So guys, make sure you join me here. I'm really happy to start this. I just started this. I already feel good about it. Trading is lonely game, and you know, not everybody have a lot of people around them to talk to about trading. You want to talk to somebody that knows what you're talking about, and if you like the idea, if it makes sense to you, you know, you like it, it makes sense, back test it, you start seeing a result, then we're all gonna be trading together, you know? Maybe I'm looking at gold, you know? You're looking at AUD/JPY, right? You'd be like, hey guys, this is, you know, playing out right now, you know? We can all take a look at it. If it makes sense, we'll take it. Guys, so price is retesting the breaker block right now. A potential sells could be possible. If we see an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle, which is this candle right now, forming right now, will eat up all that candle, close below, engulfing. But like I mentioned, that's riskier. You got liquidity, you got fair value gap. Price action is pretty interesting right now. For me, I only look for A+ setups, the ones that keeps my win rate higher. I don't chase the entry, you know? I just let it come to me. I've done that a lot in the past. I learned from my mistake. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it again. still in the range. GJ. I mean, you know, I love GJ. GJ is like my best friend, okay? We get along. We understand each other. I knew GJ was gonna range. I mentioned that in the beginning of my stream, I think. And it's ranging. You don't want to get involved in this nasty range.
Need inspiration? Shop Kroger for thousands of appetizing ingredients that inspire
20
countless
pips.
mouth-watering meals with savings
Bruh,
beyond
it's not
low
even worth it.
prices. Like digital coupons worth over $600 each week and up to $1 off per gallon at the pump. So you can get big flavors and big savings.
What is the name
Kroger,
of your
fresh
Telegram
for
channel?
everyone.
It's
Fuel
right here.
restrictions apply.
We've locked in
I
low
send the link,
prices
brother.
to help you save big store-wide. Look for the locked-in low prices tags and enjoy extra savings throughout the store. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Miles here is an electrician
Click on
running
this
wiring
link.
for this new home build.
Good morning.
Miles doesn't have time for funny business.
I guess.
Miles traded up to serious commercial auto insurance from Geico for customized coverage
What
that
the
grows with
hell?
his business,
Man,
all for
shut the-
seriously low rates.
So, where's the
Bruh.
Geico?
Where did this ad come from, man? Damn. I mean, I was really enjoying the music, man.
Everything going up during inflation. We thought we'd bring our prices down.
Let's go.
So to help us
Taxes and fees extra. Speed slower above 40 gigabytes. See details.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. Oh my god. This is the failed bullish OB right here. Price created a body candle close below this one. This is 5% change of character. There's also the 15 minute change. Five-minute plus 15-minute change of character right here. With the body candle close. Now price is retracing in this failed OB. I should go down. Take out this liquidity. Huh? I mean really right now. I could get price to retrace to this bearish OB. I mean, honestly, that'll be a nice range. 150 pips, 80 pips, targeting this low and this low. So this is a new analysis, guys. If price decide to come back to this OB, make a change of character, retest that change of character, we can target these lows. If I want to see price continue and pushing higher, price must break above these two highs, like this, retest to look for some highs. Targeting what? Targeting pretty much nothing, because this is the highest high. This is the highest high. This is the highest high that price did. So what, you want to target this? Of course not. You will be doing psychological level, using Fibonacci tools and all that, targeting higher highs. But I'll be more comfortable taking sells here, doing some scalps, especially if there's news coming. Bam, bam, you know. Interesting price action. Like this is a high probability setup here. This is this considered an ICT concept, guys. If you hear me out on this one. This is an ICT concept right here. Failed OB, breaker block, overlapping with fair value gap. Possible sells here. The only problem is take a sell here. Stop loss above this high. How much is this, guys? This is at least 100 pips. 80 pips. 80 pips stop loss. Why? No, thank you. Not for me. Alright, I'll be updating you guys definitely on my channel that I created here. I'll send this new analysis to the right here so you guys can read it. Make sure you read the criteria for both buys and sells. Understand what I'm looking for. If criteria 1 met, you look for criteria 2. Retest of the failed 1 hour bearish OB met, you look for criteria 3. Create 5 for 15 minutes engulfing candle. All these criteria meet, like how it's planned. Take it. Risk manage. Okay. For sell, same thing. Read the 3 criteria, my confirmations, what I look for before I take my entry. I'll be crafting out this analysis and sending it shortly here. Again, this is an ICT concept, guys. ICT concept is breaker block, failed OB, overlapping with a fair value gap. But it's really not worth the stop loss here. It's 80 pips, guys. Look. Take a sell here. Stop loss above this high. It's like 80 pips. It's not worth it for me. But sells, I need to see price retest this will be. Oh my god, this is too loud.
High bass, it's like
The music's too loud. Shit. Okay. Sells. If I see price, retest this will be right here. This bearish will be that price created before breaking below this low. Creating 5 and 15 minute bearish change of character. Price come here. Gives me 5 or 15 minute bearish change of character with a body candle close, retest I'll be comfortable taking sells. If price wants to continue going down from here, so what? Let it go. We'll look for another setup. But for me, it's not worth taking a sell from here. This is gonna be 80 pips stop loss. I mean, if you wanna even you cannot split risk this entry. What I mean by that? You don't have key levels to place your split risk entries. Okay, fair value gap here, and then fair value gap here, and you got a bunch of like wick up, wick down, wick up, wick down. You know, it's not worth it. It is not worth it, my friends. Alright everyone, make sure you are in here. I'll be updating you guys with what's going on here during the Asian session, and in 3 hours time, in 2 hours time, in 2 hours time, we're gonna have a big news. CPI for GBP. This is high impact news, guys. Okay, in the market, that's why market structure is a bit interesting right now, because of that news. I usually don't trade the news. I trade after the news. I see what market do, price action after the news, and take advantage of A+ setups. So that's gonna happen during the London session. London session starts in 3 hours time, right after the CPI, 1 hour after the CPI. I'll be updating you guys during London and New York. Alright? Nice to meet you all. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.